Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some problem that related to the determinants. Now here is the second problem. Solve the question by Cramer rule. First, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5. This linear equation with 3 variable x, y, z are solved by the Cramer rule. Here solution. Now we can use delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are d, d1, d2, d3. First of all we calculate the determinant d equal to here coefficient of x equal to 1, here 1, here 3, here 1. Coefficient of y equal to minus 1, 2, here 1, 1 and minus 4, 1, 1 and minus 4. The value of this we expand through any row or any columns direct, and we can also calculate after applying the properties. Now here if you calculate direct here 1 in this case 1 deleting this and this minus 1 1 2 minus 4 plus minus 1 deleting this and this 1 1 3 minus 4 1 1 3 minus 4 plus minus plus here plus 1 deleting this row and this column 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 2 now, and here 1 4 1 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 1 4 1 is 4 minus 4 and minus 3 here 2 1 is 2 minus here 1 minus plus 3. Now this is equal to 4 minus 2 2 minus 7 and plus 7 and 3 to 5, so that 7 to 9, that is equal to 14. The value of determinant this is equal to 14. Now you can also solve to apply the property C1 replaced by C1 minus C2, C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. After that we can also calculate the value of this D1 equal to here. With the help of D1 we calculate the value of x, so that in place of this we use the 6 2 and minus 5, 6 2 minus 5, and rest are this 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 4 here. Now minus 4 here. Now this if you take 6 deleting this multiply here, this is 4 1 is 4 and 4 and minus 2 1 2 plus minus here deleting this and this, so that 4 2 is 8 minus 8 and minus 5 1 is 5 minus plus 5 plus minus plus 1 here deleting this and this, 2 to the 4 and minus 5 and 1 plus 5 here. Now here 6 to 6 to the 12 and this is minus 3 and plus 3 and this is minus 1 here, so that this is equal to 12, 3, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14, so that D1 equal to 14. Now D2, here D2, with the help of D2 calculate the value of Y, so that in place of this we use to 6, 5 and 6, 2 and minus 5, and this is equal to 1, 1, 3, 6, 2, minus 5, 6, 2, minus 5, and this is 1, 1, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 4 here. Now we solve this 1 here, deleting this and this, 4 to the 8, minus 8 and minus plus 5 on the 5 plus minus 6. This is deleting this row and this column, 4 1 the 4, minus 4 and minus 3 1 the 3 plus minus plus 1. Here deleting this and this, 5 1 the 5, minus 5 here and minus 3 to the 6. Now this is minus 8 plus 5, minus 3 and this is minus 7 and 6 plus 42 and this is 11 minus 11, so that 42 minus 11 minus 11 minus 3, 14, that is equal to 28, so that D2 equal to 28. Now D3, with the help of D3 we calculate the value of Z, so that this 1 1 3 1 1 3, this is 1 minus 2 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 and 2, and this is 6 2 minus 5, 6 2 minus 5. Now we calculate the value of this 1, here 1, deleting this and this is 5 on the 5 minus 2 to the 4, 5 minus 4 plus minus 1, here deleting this and this, 5 on the 5 minus 3 to the 6, minus 5 minus 6 plus minus plus 6, here deleting this row and these columns, 2 on the 2 and minus 3 on the minus 3 and plus 3. Here this is equal to 1, this is equal to minus 11 and plus 11, and this is equal to 3 to 5, 5 6 are 30. This is equal to 12 and 42. Now we know that here x equal to del 1 by x equal to d1 by d. Here d1 equal to 14 by d equal to 14 by 14. This is 1. Y equal to d2 by d. Here d2 is 28 by 14, that is equal to 2, and z equal to d3 by d. d3 by d, d3 is 42 42 divided by 14, that is equal to 3. It means that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. We can also check this, putting this value in the equations 1 to 3, 3 6, 1 and here z 3 1, 3 and 3 and 1 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2, so that our answer will be correct. Now we take another problem here. Now question number 3. For what value of p and q the system of equation 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 8, x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 5, x plus y plus 3z is equal to 4 has unique solution, no solution and infinite solution. Here three linear equations are given. First of all, we calculate the value of determinant that formed by these equations, so that d equal to 2 1 1 1, p 2 1 6 q 3. This is a d. Apply r1 replaced by r1 minus 2 r2 and r2 replaced by r2 minus 3. r1 replaced by r1 minus 2 r2 and 2 minus 2, that is 0. p minus 2 to the 4, 6 minus 2q, r2 replaced by r2 minus r3, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, q minus 3, and 1 row unchanged here, 1 1. Now plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, with the help of this breakdown, this is deleting this, p minus 4, 6 minus 2q and 1 and q minus 3. Multiply cross multiplication, pq minus 3p minus 4q plus 4 3 is 12 minus 6 and minus plus 2q. After solving we get q minus 3 and p minus 2. Now for the value of x, we put in here the coefficient of 8, 5 and 4 here and here. Now 8 and deleting this, 3 to the 6 minus q plus minus p and this deleting this, so that 5 3 are 15 minus 4q plus minus plus 6 and deleting this and this, 5 on the 5 minus 4 to the 8. Solving this we get p minus 2, 4q minus 15 and d2. For this we calculating the value of y in place of this. We put 8 5 4 here and this gives the value 0, and d3 in place of this we put 8 5 4 and this gives value of p minus 2. Now here d is p minus 2, d is p minus 2, q minus 3, d1 equal to p minus 2, 4q minus 15, d2 is equal to 0 and d3 is equal to p minus 2. Now for unique solutions, as you know that for unique solution d does not equal to 0, so that the value of the p minus 2, q minus 3 does not equal to 0. It means that p minus 2 does not equal to 0. It means that p does not equal to 2 and q does not equal to 3. This is the required solution. Now for no solutions, d equal to 0 and at least one of d1, d2, d3 is non-zero, so that as you see that d is equal to, it means that p minus 2 here exists, and here exists, and here also exists p minus 2, so that p here p does not equal to 0, and q equal to, here q is equal to 3 now. And for infinite solutions, all d equal to 0, d1, d2, d3 all are 0. It means that p2, p minus 2 present here, so that p minus 2 must be 0. It means that p equal to 2 for the infinite solutions. And here now we see the another problems here. Now here use of determinant in the coordinate geometry. The area of triangle, whose vertices is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. The area of triangle, whose vertices is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is 1 by 2 in bracket, 1 by 2 in bracket, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1. This is a determinant notation, and this is half for the bracket. Now condition for concurrency of three lines. Now condition for concurrency of lines. Now condition for concurrency of lines. That is condition for concurrency of lines that is passing through a point, or meet at a point, Now condition for concurrency of lines that is passing through a point or meet at a line here. Let us suppose that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 are the concurrent line 0 are the concurrent line if determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3 equal to 0. A3, B3 and C3 equal to 0. Now condition for Janus second degree equation in xy. Here now here condition for general second degree equation in x and y represent pair of straight line ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 if determine value of determinant ahg, f and bc value of bc determinant is 0. Now if the general equation of second degree are given, then comparison with these equations and get the value of a, h, g, f and c. Putting this, if the value of determinant is 0, then that equation represents the second degree equation. Now question number 4, find the area of triangles whose vertices are given here. In this case, this is a triangle and A, B and C, A3 to B 11, 8 and C 8, 12. Here the area of triangle is half. Here half 3 to 1, 11, 8, 1, 8, 12, 1. And after that here this is a determinant, this is a bracket form. R1 replaced by R1, R2, R3, R1 replaced by R1 minus R2, 3 minus 11 minus 8, 2 minus 8 minus 6, this is a 0. And now this 11 minus 8, 3, 8 minus 12 minus 4, this is also 0. And plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, so that expanding along this deleting at 8 4 are 32 plus 32 and minus again minus here 6 3 are 18, that is also plus, so that this is 50 and 25 square unit. This is the area of the triangle whose vertices are given A, B and C. Now we take another problem. Now here 5 question, if x1, y1, x1, x2, x3 are as well as y1, y2, y3 are in GP with same common ratio, then prove that the point x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are collinear. Here, fifth question given that points are collinear, it means that passing through the same point, it means that for value of determinant must be equal to 0. Here, x1, x2, x3 as y1, y2, y3 are in geometric progression with the same common ratio r. So that if x1 is equal to x1, x2 is equal to x1 r and x3 is equal to x1 r square, as is know that area of triangle is equal to half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3, putting the value of x2 x3 y2 and y3, and after that we take the common x1 here, so 1 r square here, y1 1 r square, and as you know that if any two columns in determinants are same, then that value must be equal to 0. So that value of this determinant must be 0. Hence, the points are collinear. Now, prove that if delta equal to C minus A plus C B minus C B plus C, A minus B minus C, 0 A minus C, x y z 1 plus x plus y. This is a 4 class 4 matrix, implies that ABC are in AP or ACB are in GP. Now here C3, this is a C1, C2, C3, C4, C3 minus C2 minus C1, C2, and C minus A, subtract from here, this becomes 0, 0, and similarly C3, C4 also C1 plus C2, A plus C, subtract from here 0, B plus C from here, that is 0, so that we get the determinant. Expanding this plus minus 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 plus. Expanding this, we get the 3 class dealing this and this, 3 class 3 determinants here. After that, expand the determinant which is respect to this comes here, so that deleting this and this, AB minus C square, if A plus C minus 2 be equal to 0, so that B equal to A plus C by 2, this is the condition for A, B, C are in AP, and AB minus C square is equal to 0, it means that AB is equal to C square, and C equal to under root AB, so that A, C, B are in the geometric progression. Now we take now here the value of the determinant K, B, K, C, K square plus A square, K square B square, K square plus C square, this is equal to first K, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, second K, A, B, C, A square plus B square plus C square, third and fourth. This is a question number 8, this is question number 9 here. Now solution of question number 7. Value of this K, KB, KC, this can be written as breakdown in the 2 parts, because here is the plus sign, so that one part K, KB, KC, and K square 1 1, and another is we remove the K square, so that this is A square plus B square plus C square. Here in this case we take the common K, and here K square, so that this is gain, and as we know that if any two row or column are same, that value is equal to 0, so that this is equal to 0. Now take the common K, A square 1, B square 1, C square 1, this is value of, as we solved in the previous videos, A minus B minus C minus A, so that third is correct. Now question number 8 here, for positive number x, y, z, the numerical value of the determinant, this is what? Now this can be written as log y by x if you change the base, so that log y base e divided by log x base e. On the basis of e does not written here, so that this is log z base e divided by log x base e here. Now we can write in form of base e. Here we take this is e, and this is E. Now here and we take 1 by log x common here, 1 by log x in this case, here log x, log y, log z. In this case, log in the R2 we 1 by log y, so that log x, log y, log z. Here log x, log y, log z, so that 1 by log x, log y, log z. Here log x, log y, log z, log x, log y, log z. So the value of this is equal to 0, so that the value of given determinant is equal to 0. Now here question number 9, find the value of this determinant is equal to 0 minus 16 root 2 and d. Now here we apply R1 replaced by R1 minus R2 and R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. We get this, and after the expanding plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus 1, deleting this, multiply this, 4 4 are 16 minus 16 is 2, and 4 2 is 8, 2 is 16 minus 16, and 4 minus minus plus, that is plus 16, so that value of this is minus 16 root 2. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.